I was just sitting there relaxing after lifting rocks and stuff there for a while, and I'll tell you, some nice sitting right there in the shade. Didn't even feel like getting up and moving. Should have a recliner there so I can lean back and have a little nap. Because it's just so peaceful. Had the radio going, had a drink there, and just listening to the water and the odd car go by, but can hear all the birds in the background and the wind whistling through the trees. Tell ya, she's some nice sitting out here. Get away from all your worries and all that stuff. Just come out here and just relax. It's good. Good to get in touch with nature. Relax with nature. That's a good saying. Everybody have a great day. Cheers.